everyone, welcome back. Hopefully all of you are doing well. Today I have a very simple step-by-step recipe for you. I know I have some new subscribers along with my returning subscribers. Thank you for joining me. And also to my viewers, go right ahead and press that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified whenever I upload the next video. And let's get right into the kitchen. So here I have some butter, milk, some sugar, essence, and salt. And kindly check the description box below. You will have all details listed there. So over to making our butterscotch sauce. Over medium heat, I have a pan and I'm adding 1 cup of granulated sugar. And you want to stir this until the crystals dissolve. All right, you can also use brown sugar into this recipe, but for me the brown sugar brings on too much of a strong kind of flavor, and I choose to use granulated sugar. All right, so once you see the sugar starts to look like this, do not leave the process unattended. Keep stirring until the sugar is completely dissolved. You want to be careful and do not let it burn because it can taste bitter. Once you see the sugar gets like this, keep stirring. And making this butterscotch sauce, guys, depends on the flavor and strongness that you want and how much you cook it, all right? So just cook it as to your preference, making sure that it doesn't get bitter. Here I had 2.5 tablespoons of unsalted butter and stir it well. As you can see, I get a nice brown color. Now I'm going to add some milk, and I'm using 1 cup of milk. Pour it a little at a time, bring this to a boil. At this time you can turn the heat off, but I choose to keep it on the heat, making sure that all the sugar is completely dissolved. Keep pouring that milk and stir it well. Let this come to a boil. As you can see that it gets very thin here. You want this to boil until the mixture starts to thicken. You can see that it starts to change. Now I'm going to add the salt and the essence. And let this come to a boil for another 2 minutes. It gets thick really quick, guys. And as this mixture gets cooler, the sauce thickens up a lot. So I'm going to turn the heat off from under the pot at this time and let it just cool for about 5 minutes. So it still has a lot of heat into it, guys. Here I have a dish with some water, my mason jar, and I'm going to place the mason jar into the dish with water and pour the mixture right over into this jar. Once the sauce comes to room temperature, this is what the texture looks like. So I'll just place the cover onto the jar and place it right into the refrigerator. You can also serve this butterscotch sauce in a nice little container where you can dip your strawberries. You can also use it over any kind of fruits. You can also drizzle some of this sauce over your ice cream. I choose to use it over some cake, and this is what my dessert looks like. Give it a try, guys. Enjoy, leave me a comment, and thank you for joining me. I will see you soon. Bye.